Driver, though, says that scene today on I-74 could have been deadly if not for the heroic actions of one man. He was seen standing at the scene telling semi-drivers to stop, and then guess what? He just vanished. And as 9 on your side, Scott Wegner shows us one woman wants that man to know how much he's appreciated.
Daryl Howell saw the catastrophe coming in slow motion.
And I thought I seen something and I started slowing down. I was only doing about 30, 35. But there just wasn't no stopping.
Because of his quick thinking, he escaped with relatively minor damage to his truck. But dozens of other vehicles were not so lucky. They crashed into each other during a whiteout here on Interstate 74 near West Harrison, Indiana.
You couldn't see anything.
Brittany Hirth was one of them.
I got hit, and then I hit a brown Jeep that was in front of me, and I actually hit the concrete wall.
As catastrophic as this accident was, drivers say it could have been a lot worse, if not for a good Samaritan who got out of his car, risking his life to keep other vehicles from heading into the chaos.
He was out in the middle of the highway. You couldn't see anything, and he stopped all those semis behind us.
And in classic hero fashion, he vanished.
He left, actually, so I don't know where he went to. He turned around, he made sure they all stopped. As soon as everything was okay and a few minutes went by, he actually went over the median and he left.
Brittany wants to find out who this mysterious savior is.
It would have been a whole lot worse. He helped me, he saved my life, and he saved all the lives behind me, too.
Scott Wegner, 9 on your side, West Harrison.